Hello, my name is Josh Orozco, and I'm going to be dissecting a goat eyeball. And I'm going to be describing the function and what it does, basically. So what I did, I used a scissor, and I cut off a lot exterior of all this extra skin. So, eyelash, all that stuff. And I kind of got a head start thinking I was going to be by myself by accident, but I'll just explain what was in the eyeball so you will know what's going on. So, this is the cornea right here. This is the protection and what allows lights to come inside. And this is the extreme eye muscle right here. And the optic nerves will be on the side. It's a bundle of nerves and cells that sends signals to the eyeballs to the brain. I kind of cut it off, but it's fine. You know the gif. What I'm going to do is, I'm obviously going to cut it in half, so the posterior and anterior I'm going to cut off. So, boom. What originally was in here was a bunch of liquid substance right here. I just removed it. And this is the cornea is the white hard ball substance. So, yes, it is hard. And that is what's behind the cornea that sends a reflection of the light. So, right here. See how you can see, yep, there you go. And it reflects off here into the back of here. That would be the choroid, and that would reflects light in and out. And the choroid of the goat eye has a iridescent reflecting surface called the tapetum luteum. Pronunciation's bad, I know. That's found in humans as well. And the iris has a diaphragm that regulates in the size of the pupil. So the iris would be right here. Is that black stuff? Yeah, right there. It's kind of hard with all the being black, but best I can do right now. And the cornea changes to being transparent, smooth, I believe to wrinkles. So right there. Okay. And I'm looking in. Yeah, that's basically the function of the eyeball. And the retina is a thin beam layer that probably separates from the choroid. So the retina should be right here. There it is. So the separation, there was a bunch of fluids here. But that's what separates from the fluid of this to the cornea that was right here, right there. And yeah, and that's my presentation of dissection of the goat eye. So here's a close up what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Looks like a seashell. And that is the frontal part of it, and the posterior part of it. It connects to the brain. It sends signals to the brain. Was the light receptor. And that is it. Goodbye.